This is it. Wow. Exactly. We took this truck, had about 70,000 hours on it. It was about 8 years old on the mine, and we've completely retrofitted it, and we've turned it into a 100% electric vehicle. The team completely redesigned it to be full electric. So there's electric motors now driving the hydraulics, electric motors doing all the cooling, and all of that needs to be managed in one system. So they designed this from scratch, incorporating that all together. The water, that's the only emission from this vehicle coming out the exhaust. So today we have 150 tons loaded in the back of the vehicle. This will put out 2 megawatts. We do that consistently in power. So from a South African perspective, this system is really well suited. You've got wonderful renewable resource. Obviously, we did this platinum mine, and the key ingredient in the fuel cells is platinum.
As you can see, we are actively working towards increasing our role in decarbonisation of our own mines, but ultimately developing entire industries that will benefit from this technology.
It represents the first of its kind in the world, and I believe it puts South Africa firmly and squarely on the global stage in terms of innovation and the decarbonisation of heavy-duty transportation.
If Anglo wants something to happen, it happens. Now we're seeing the truck because Anglo wanted it to happen. It is here. We can see it today.
This is the first in the world, really. So today, seated as we are here, gathered as we are making world history right here in Mogalakwena, right here in Limpopo Premier, right here in South Africa.